Hi all, I'm Vinay Kumar. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download STM32 Cube IDE. In the series of ARM-CORTEX M4, we are going to program ARM-CORTEX M4 processor. For that, we need an IDE. IDE is nothing but Integration Development Environment. So, I'm gonna show you in this video how to download STM32 Cube IDE. For that, open Chrome browser or any other browser and search like this: STM32 Cube IDE download, and click on enter. Here see at the first link, STM32 Cube IDE integrated development environment. Click on this link and you'll get a page like this. Here scroll down. Here see get software section is there. Here based on your operating system you can download the software. First see STM32 Cube IDE Debian Linux driver. If you are using Debian Linux driver, then you can get a software by using this icon. If you are using generic Linux installer, generic Linux OS, then you can get software by clicking this link. Here I'm gonna show you how to download STM32 Cube IDE in Windows OS, because most of the users are Windows users. Here at the last, STM32 Cube IDE window installer is there. I'm gonna click this get latest. After clicking the get latest, we'll get a license agreement like this. Here scroll it down, click on accept, and here see thank you for your agreement. Please log into my SQT or create an account to start downloading. Here there are three ways to download STM32 Cube IDE. One is log into my ST. Here, if you already registered or created a MyST account, then you can directly log in, or otherwise you have to create one MyST account. Here, if you don't want to create any account, then you can simply download by click on download as a guest. Here I'm gonna click download as a guest because it's an easy process. No need to create any ST account or any other. Okay. Here it's going to load this page. Let's wait. Here see download as a guest. Here you have to fill your first name and last name and your mail ID. Okay, after clicking first name, last name and mail ID, here check this box and get link. Okay, after clicking the get link, open your mail ID and refresh it. Yeah, wait, it's gonna load. Wait a second. Here it is, STM32 electronics mail. Here open the mail, it's loading. Here observe download now. Here click on the download now option. After clicking on the download now option, the download of STM32 Cube IDE will get started. So I'm opening my downloads. Here see I already downloaded, so I'm opening the download. Here see this is the downloaded one, already downloaded, so I'm not gonna download again. This is en.st STM32 Cube IDE. Double click on it. Here one application is there, double click on it and wait a second. Yeah, here see, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Click on yes. Okay, after clicking on yes, see here also you have to click on yes. Yeah, here next. Here this is a license agreement, no need to read anything, just click on I agree. And it is the path where your STM32 Cube IDE is going to install. Okay, set it as a default one and click next. Here don't uncheck anything because we need these ST link drivers and Segar J link drivers. Click on install and see here it is going to install STM32 Cube IDE in our system. It takes few minutes, please wait. Yes, it is completed. Here, see, the installation is completed. Click on the next, and click on finish. Yeah, the installation of STM32 Cube IDE is completed. In the next video, I will show you how to write a printf. I mean, how to write a hello world program in STM32 microcontroller, that is in ARM-CORTEX M4. If you have any doubt in the installation, please let me know. I will give my mail ID, Instagram and Telegram channels in the description. If you have any doubt further about ARM-CORTEX M4, you can directly contact me. Thank you for watching this video.